Welcome back to PS We're Exploring. Today I'll be making Jamaican Black Cake, and these are the ingredients that we'll be using. I have two little helpers, my grandchildren. So remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Rocking around the winter tree at the frosty party hop. Candles glow and where you can see every heart begins to stop. Rocking around the winter tree, let the joyful laughter ring. Later we'll taste that apple pie and we'll raise our voices high. You will feel a gentle feeling when you hear.
Items that you'll need for this cake is a 9-inch cake pan, mixer, wooden spoon, large mixing bowl, measuring cups, measuring spoons, rubber spatula, scraper. Prepare 9-inch baking tin and preheat oven to 300 Fahrenheit. So I have all my item ingredients measured, and my granddaughter will tell us what she measured.
Right here we have some baking powder, some classic salt, some ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and allspice. Here we have the browning sauce and molasses.
Yay! So we'll be combining all these together to make our Jamaican black cake. Blend eggs for about 5 minutes, then add vanilla browning molasses on low speed. You blend for about 30 seconds, then add your zest of lime. We're creaming the butter and the sugar, and we're actually doing it the old ways, the old time ways. So my little helper is creaming the butter and sugar. Good job! So now we have our flour, 1.5 cups flour. And we'll be combining everything shortly. We poured all the dry ingredients and the flour together before we'll pour it into the sugar and eggs mixture.
So now we're gonna mix in the beaded sugar and butter with the eggs.
We then fold the mixture with a wooden spoon for about 3 minutes before pouring in the mixture of fruits. So from this mixture, I triple the amounts, and I'll put the amounts in the chat so you can try it. Okay? But I did add 3 times the amounts, and we got 2, 4, 5 medium cakes and a small one. So this ends our baking of Jamaican black cake. This was my mom's recipe. If you try it, please let me know in the comment section how it came out. Okay? So remember to like, subscribe, and share for some tasty recipes. So guys, I've placed the cakes in the oven, and I'll be baking it at 300 for 2 hours. And for maybe an hour and a half, I'll check the cakes to see if they're ready by putting a toothpick in the center of the cake. If they come out clean, I'll know that the cakes are ready. So I'll show you when the cakes are completed. So now we're here with the finished product, and it looks very, very good.
It looks delicious.
I did put the toothpick in there, and it came out clean, so that means the cake is well baked. Can you hold up that piece for me?
It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really nice. So what do you say?
I really like this.
Very
It's
good.
really good.
Very good. And for your taste, if you're someone that likes to sprinkle some red label or red navy on it and keep it soaked until Christmas, you can do that. So remember to
Like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you
never miss a video. Until next time, keep exploring.
Bye.
Bye.